Hey there, math stars. Ever get stuck on a math problem and wonder, what do I solve first? The addition? The multiplication? Well, today we're learning a superpower called the order of operations. We call it PEMDAS. Say it with me. PEMDAS. Each letter stands for a step in the right order. Let's break it down. P bar parentheses. Always start with what's inside, parentheses, like a secret code hiding in brackets. Example, 3 plus 2 times 4. First, do 3 plus 2 equals 5, then multiply. E equals exponents. Next, any exponents, like squares or cubes. These make numbers grow fast. Example, 2 squared equals 4. M equals multiplication and D equals division. Then go left to right, multiply or divide, whichever comes first. Example, 6 divided by 2 times 3. First 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. A equals addition and S equals subtraction. Finally, left to right again. Add or subtract, step by step. Example, 8 plus 2 minus 1 equals 9. PEMDAS helps us solve math the right way. No mix-ups, no confusion. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. That's PEMDAS beats. Try this one. 4 plus 3 times 2 minus 5. Got it? Let's solve it together. First solve the parentheses, that is 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now multiply 2 to 7, which equals to 14. Now subtract 5 from 14, which is 9. And remember, when in doubt, PEMDAS it out.